Hello everyone, this is in continuation to various problems what we are doing in logarithms. The next is given logarithm of 2, the value as 0.3010 and logarithm 3, the value as 0.4771. We have to find the value of logarithm of 0.405 without using log tables. So let us start. When they did not specify base, it is always considered to be base 10. Okay, now what is that we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find what is logarithm of 0.405. That can be written as logarithm of 405 divided by 1000. Let us factorize 405. It is 5 8s are, 5 1s are. Then here it is 3 27, 3 9, 3 3. So I can rewrite this as logarithm of 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 divided by, this is 10 the cube, 10 to the power of cube. So I can rewrite this as, it is like log AB divided by C. So I can write it as log of A plus log of B minus log of C. Again, this can be written as logarithm of 10 by 2, because we know log 10 to the base 10 is 1. We will use that. And otherwise, logarithm of 2 value is given, logarithm of 3 value is given. That is why I'm converting this 5 as 10 by 2. This one is 4 times logarithm of 3 minus 3 times logarithm of 10. So this again can be written as logarithm of 10 minus logarithm of 2 plus 4 times logarithm of 3 is known to be 0.4771 minus 3 times log 10 is 1 because it is considered to be base 1, sorry, base 10. So this will be 1 only. So here we have 1. This value is given in the question as 0.3010 plus, let us multiply this 4 times. 4 times 0.4771, we get 1.9084 minus 3. Now let us evaluate this. We get the answer as negative 0.3926. That's the value. That's the solution for this. In case if you find the contents to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.